Happy Tuesday. I'm meteorologist Alex O'Brien. Weather Webcast is brought to you by Jayford Pros. Today will be the hottest day of the year so far and the first 90-degree day for the South Plains, at least for Lubbock. 91 is the forecast this afternoon. Many of us seeing those low 90s, especially in the central and southern South Plains as well as into the eastern rolling plains. Our northern zones about Plainview 89 degrees today and topping out at 93 Gale, Lamesa. Warm one for us. You'll want to practice your heat safety tips. Stay hydrated, take breaks in the shade. By tomorrow, we'll see a temperature gradient from west to east thanks to strong winds coming in from the west, bringing in cooler air towards Muleshoe at 78, 84 tomorrow here in Lubbock. Low 90s still possible into the eastern rolling plains. That wind will be the main factor in our weather tomorrow, and we are likely to see a high wind warning upgrade from 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. So far, it's still a watch this morning, but do expect probably red flag conditions and those high winds. And we could be flirting with 70-mile-per-hour wind gusts tomorrow, and even starting around noon, 50 miles per hour, peaking up to 70. It will be harder to get those 70-mile-per-hour wind gusts, but it is possible, and this could cause some spotty power outages, some structural damage to things like fences, and make sure you're securing any loose outdoor items with the blowing dust possible, and that's high fire danger for us. So critical to extreme fire weather conditions tomorrow. If we see any sparks in the grass, those fires can spread very rapidly, taking into account the dry air and the strong winds. So Wednesday will be a weather hazard day, something to keep in mind. In the meantime, today's just hot, up to 91 degrees. Beautiful to head outside and enjoy that warmth, but you'll want to stay hydrated and practice heat safety. Then behind our windy Wednesday, we have our cold front. 60s on Thursday, a light freeze possible Friday morning, followed by 64 on Friday afternoon. Starting Friday night into the day Saturday, we could start to see some showers. Still a lower chance of that, but it's looking a bit more possible as we head into this weekend. 55 on Saturday, quite a difference between today and to start the weekend. Another light freeze possible into Sunday morning, followed by a warm up into next week, back to the 80s Monday.